Hello, metal bending maestros. Today, we're diving deep into the world of press brakes. Hydraulic or electric? Ever wondered which one suits your needs the best? Well, wonder no more. We're breaking it down for you today. Hydraulic press brakes have been the kings of the sheet metal bending world for years. Powered by hydraulic cylinders, they're known for their high tonnage, making them perfect for heavy-duty bending. They're durable, versatile, and with proper maintenance, they're in it for the long haul. Watch it in action. The hydraulic system is a masterpiece, offering precise control and consistent bending. And for those tech-savvy folks, some models even come with CNC control and automatic tooling change systems. Now, let's switch gears to electric press brakes. They're the new kids on the block, known for their energy efficiency and automation capabilities. With electric motors powering the ram, they're quieter and consume less energy. Look at that smooth operation. They're user-friendly, require less maintenance, and are perfect for automated large-scale production. So, hydraulic or electric? It boils down to your specific needs. If you're dealing with thicker materials and need higher tonnage, hydraulic is the way to go. But if you're looking for something quieter, energy efficient, with high automation, electric is your best bet. There you have it, folks. Your guide to choosing between hydraulic and electric press brakes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep bending and shaping the future.